Good Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on a cloudy start but a sunny finish to this Tuesday. It's going to be another fine day out there for decorating or doing whatever on your way to work. It should be not bad travel commute other than the normal traffic out there. This is the video forecast discussion for Tuesday. I'll stop my rambling now. December 8th, 2015. Not a bad looking morning out there. This morning we have some clouds scattered around the region. This rain shield here is associated with a disturbance that moved from the Jersey-Delaware coast all the way to southern and in New England this morning. Now, we're not reporting any rain. Actually, this rain that's falling out here is evaporating before it reaches the ground. There's absolutely no precipitation reaching the ground across Connecticut or eastern Long Island, just cloudy skies. And temperatures are generally in the 40s. We can see all the cloudy skies here. And the dry mid and upper layers of the atmosphere, there's a large depression in the dew point temperature spread, so therefore the air is dry or super cooled, and as a result all this precipitation is evaporating, so it's not as bad as what this shows here. We have no watches, warnings, or advisories on the coast. Scattered clouds and already sunshine filtering into a lot of the areas, but it's chilly this morning where skies have cleared, the winds are light, generally reporting temperatures in the mid-30s across interior northern New Jersey and the low to the mid-40s just about everywhere else this morning. And on the aviational weather deck this morning, we've got basically VFR conditions expected through Wednesday morning. Some cirrus overhead at times, the only exception, some MVFR ceilings around Reading through about early this morning, and then a deck of stratocumulus may overspread the region from the west late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Ceilings could favor 2,000 to 3,000 foot level at the time. The winds will be mainly from the north-northwest at about 10 knots or less, a light variable wind anticipated for tonight. Wednesday through Wednesday night, MVFR ceilings possible, isolated shower possible Wednesday night. Outside of that, Thursday, MVFR ceilings early, then VFR the rest of the day. Thursday night through Saturday, low clouds and or fog developing each night with an improvement to VFR during daytime hours. Not a bad looking morning out there at all. For the flight decks here at Newark, right now at 39, dew point 30, humidity 70%. The wind is favoring a northeast direction, or northeast heading at 12 knots. A few clouds at 2,500 feet, 1,100 feet, and 1,400 feet. This morning, VFR conditions in place. Right now, Philadelphia, it's VFR 37. It's chilly, dew point 29. Relative humidity 72%. The wind is northwest at 7. Few clouds at 25,000. Everything looking good out there. Short-term forecast progs through Thursday morning. Here's our area of low pressure moving off the southern New England coast out into basically the Atlantic. High pressure building in and moving across the region. There's a storm system out to the west, bringing some high winds and some mountain snows here in the Pacific Northwest. As we head into Wednesday morning, cold front will be moving towards the Great Lakes with some rain showers here. High pressure is in control. Basically, this front will be able to move into Atlantic Canada and drags a chance of an isolated shower across the region Friday morning. This is extrapolated out, and then this storm system out here by Thursday is the next rainmaker. Actually, this storm system out in the Pacific is the next rainmaker for the East Coast, and that won't occur until sometime on Monday. And prior to that, well, the extended progs show warming here in the eastern United States for the weekend, above normal. As mentioned, Thursday night and Friday, variable cloud cover, upper trough swings through. Another low-pressure wave on the front moves out over the ocean away from our area. As we head into the weekend, we've got a warming trend on the way. High pressure will continue to build offshore, pumping in a southwesterly wind and warm air advection across the region. Temperatures could approach or exceed 60 degrees both Saturday and Sunday, especially south of Philadelphia in the I-95 corridor. And then this large storm system begins to begrudgingly make its way to the east with multiple waves of low pressure as it heads and deepens into Lake Michigan and then Atlantic into Canada over the weekend. Into Monday, drags a cold front, first a warm front through the region on Monday morning, and then a cold front. And the cold front does mean business. There will be some showers and moderate pockets of rain around the region on Monday. The secondary cold front coming through on Tuesday, cooling things down. Now, the next 6 to 10 days, December 13th through 17th, no changes here. Above normal temperatures out in the east of, basically cut the country in half from basically Missouri out to the eastern United States. Above normal, especially in the northeastern United States. Much below normal here across the southwest, where a good friend of mine lives. And, of course, over the next 6 to 10 days, December 13th through the 17th, above normal across the central plains here, up towards the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley areas. The next 8 to 14 days, still above normal here through the 21st of December, below normal in the west, trough in the west, ridge in the east with heights rising, and then nearer to slightly above normal precipitation through the end, through the 21st of December. And we'll start off today with a lot more sunshine filtering into the region. Temperatures near normal at 48, 49 degrees. That is exactly where we should be at this time of the year. Temperatures warm slightly on Wednesday to between 50 and 52 degrees. We warm further to 57, 58 degrees. That is about 10 degrees above normal by the time we get to Thursday. By the time we get to Friday, temperatures really begin to skyrocket. Temperatures again close to 60 degrees, upper 50s across all of the forecast regions, 60s in the Washington, D.C. area. Over the weekend, Saturday, very, very mild. Temperatures again between 60 and 61 degrees across the forecast region. Sunday, another mild day with temperatures again 60 in New York City, the lower 60s in the I-95 corridor. By the time we get to Monday, temperatures again near normal for actually above normal for this time of the year. Temperatures around the mid to the upper 50s. So warm conditions continue through the first full week of December. Taking a look at the sky conditions, the total cloud fraction at all layers of the atmosphere from the upper layers all the way down to the surface. We begin this morning with some cloud cover across the region, filtering into sunshine throughout the day, then the low clouds entering the forecast fray again late tonight, early tomorrow, and just a variable cloud cover with broken cloud decks around the region through Thursday. And then as a warming air advection continues early Friday morning, some low clouds and stratus around. Then improving conditions on Friday afternoon. Again, lots of sunshine around the region on Friday. And then into the weekend, lots of sunshine too. But with that sunshine comes filtered high-level cloudiness and then warm air advection as temperatures get into the 60s. So we're going to find a variable mixture of cloud cover across the region. Lower cloud decks through that period show lots of sunshine around the region, both Saturday and Sunday afternoons. We can see this on the guidance here. This is the low cloud deck, so lots of sunshine, warm temperatures on Saturday and Sunday afternoons across the forecast region. The next chance of increasing clouds will come late Sunday night and Monday as a cold front races towards the east coast. And as it does so, it brings with it the chance of some showers. Here's today with our storm system off the coast and moving away from the area. The next chance of any appreciable precipitation would come offshore again on Friday morning, and this would be with an inverted trough backing into the coastline as low pressure heads out over the eastern shores again of the Atlantic or back into the Atlantic again. Outside of an outlier shower late Thursday night, early Friday morning, warm conditions. Notice all these height rises in the pressure gradient here. That means warming is occurring, and the next chance of rain comes with this low pressure area moving into southeastern Canada, drags a cold front through the Ohio and Tennessee and Mississippi River Valley areas, and that cold front means that we could get some moderate pockets of rain around here by Monday morning and Monday afternoon, and then some brief cool air advection coming in behind that during the early part of Monday night and Tuesday with gusty winds across the forecast region. Then more high pressure and warming heights begin again across the forecast region for the early to the mid part of next week. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a spectacular Tuesday. We'll be back bright and early again on Wednesday morning.